artichoke dip is a surefire win for any gathering, but so is doing as little work as possible. So here's a spinach artichoke dip that's only 3 ingredients, and you do it all in the microwave. You've probably guessed the first 2 ingredients, but the third ingredient is kind of the most important. It's what makes it creamy, what makes it cheesy, salty. It's what makes the dip dip. Usually this comes in the form of sour cream, cream cheese, maybe mayo, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, I'm exhausted already. Instead of doing all that, crack open a box of Boursin. This cheese is already seasoned, it's already herby and salty, and it melts when warmed up. To start, put 3 ounces of frozen spinach into a bowl. Thaw this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Your spinach is thawed, obviously when there are no more ice crystals. Leave that spinach water in the bowl. It's gonna help loosen up the cheese, and it's gonna make the dip even better. Once your spinach is thawed, to the bowl, add about a half a cup, a third a cup of chopped artichoke hearts, and add the Boursin. Pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Stir. See how the Boursin is so perfectly creamy in here? Mix this until it's fully combined and hot. Serve this with sliced bread, maybe some pita chips, anything you normally have dip with. It's gonna be great. Reviving your dip is also really easy. Just toss it in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Lifehacker for some more tips and tricks like this one.